Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by placing the AirPods Max on a clean, flat surface. You want the ear cups facing inward so the headband is exposed. You should ensure the case zipper or magnetic flap is fully open and remove any lint or debris. Once done, align the case opening with the headband curve. This reduces tension when inserting. You're doing this to prevent wear and to make the next step smoother, so take a breath and keep your hands steady. With the headband leading, gently slide it into the case channel. You want the knit or leather to feed evenly so nothing bunches. Keep one hand guiding the headband and the other supporting the ear cups. This prevents sudden catches. As the body enters, check that the ear cup seams nestle inside the case walls and that the digital crown and button side align with any cutouts. Take it slow. Controlled motion preserves the finish and ensures a snug fit. Once the AirPods Max sit inside, close the zipper or press the magnetic flap gently. You should feel a smooth, even resistance rather than a hard stop. Make sure buttons and the digital crown aren't obstructed and that seams line up. This ensures protection and prevents accidental engagement. If something feels tight or off-center, reopen and realign immediately. Forcing the case risks damage. If realignment fails, inspect for debris or warped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.